Yes, sorry.
And then we have the team that was recognized.
So mine is to cheer you. So let us conquer. We are in Paris. I don't think everyone has ever competed in Olympic Games in Paris. All of us that were here, we are here to conquer. And we became who we can as individuals and as a nation.
So when you look at the history of Kenya and the number of times we've been to the Olympics, and you reflect it against the preparation that we've been able to do this year, the reason I was telling the media last week that we would be able to get 8 gold medals is just that, because we are well prepared.